guys, and welcome to our channel. So in this video I want to show about amino. So the question here is amino down, and the answer is yes. User have reported some problems to the Amino app. As you can see at this hour, in the last 24 hours, Amino App's outages reported in the last 24 hours. And then if we scroll down, we can see that it's a server connection problem, and it's also to the app some problems. And now if we read some comments, people are saying that indeed Amino it's not working right now. He couldn't even log in today. So yeah, this is the problem, guys. You don't have to worry. You just have to wait until the app solves the problems, and it's not just you. So yeah, I hope you liked this video. If you did, you can like this video, and you can also subscribe to our channel. And if you have some questions, you can comment down below. And also, if you have some updates, you can write them down in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe. And thank you so much for watching, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.